Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. It's me, Kyle, and I have not bothered to really get ready, so my hair probably looks like shit, and so do I. Anyways, I just got Pixel 4a right here. Let's open up the box. This is straight from Google. I pre-ordered it on, I think, when was it, the 10th or something? And it just arrived today. It shipped on the 20th. They will actually always give you these little things invited to Sim-Free Life. I really want to get Google Fi, but my parents still have Verizon, and as long as they're using it, it's just going to be more cost effective to stay with that. So yeah, we can throw that over there. Anyways, I've always liked Google's packaging. I mean, they, even on the inside of the box here, on the cardboard box, they still add in like, hi there, great to meet you, and all that. It's just them paying attention to detail, and I like it. Now it ships in that little plastic thing. Don't know what that does. On the back, let's just turn it over and just rip those there and throw them away. And here are the first impressions. Alright, so we're greeted with the good back and everything on there, the nice back that it has. The back of the phone, it's got the plastic matte finish all over. It's got this camera square which has the flash, I believe the microphones. Actually no, it doesn't appear to have the microphone on there, and the single camera. For comparison, this is the Pixel 4 XL that I have. It's got a similar square, a fair bit larger though. It houses ambient light sensor. Right now I'm actually editing the video, and I was just talking about what's on the Pixel 4 camera bump back there. That little dot is actually apparently a spectral / flicker sensor, which is supposed to, let's see, yeah, improved video quality in indoor shots where fluorescent or LED lighting is used, so, yeah, that should be neat. But, yeah, so just wanted to correct myself right there. Flash, looks like the same flash, except this one is turned on its side. Interesting. Telephoto and wide angle, as well as the microphone. Interestingly enough, I do not see the microphone anywhere on the back, meaning that it is probably one of the ones that's right there. Like on this one, Pixel 4 XL has multiple, I believe, there, one down here, I might be wrong. I think one is there, and that one too. My worry is that someone could be filming, and they have their hand right there, and oh, what do you know? They're blocking the microphone. Anyways, we'll see that more when we take it out. So, unlike with the Pixel 4 XL, I'll put a footage of it when I did the unboxing, it doesn't have the full back also being covered by plastic, although that is because it's not glass like this, it is actually plastic, which, I gotta say, more phone manufacturers, when they're making budget phones, they need to do plastic. Plastic is just a lot more durable, it's cost effective, it reduces weight and everything, and just, I know it won't feel as premium or whatever, but honestly, just, I don't have to worry about setting my phone down on here or on some rock or something and worry about the glass being broken or something if I set it down too hard. Anyways though, we also see the fingerprint sensor right there. Really nice return. I really hope to see that on the Pixel 5 along with Face Unlock. Let's peel off the screen. Nice peel. Let's turn it on, and we can see here that it has a hole punch camera, which I'm really excited to see more of and how that impacts the experience. You can see the display is a fair bit smaller, 5.8 inch, but then again, this is the Pixel 4 XL. Now over here, we have the charger cord and charger, as well as the adapter for USB Type-C to USB Type-A female. USB Type-C male, by the way. As well as the 18-watt fast charger. I believe this is a 1 meter cable. Yeah, that's 1 meter cable, not 1.5. I would have liked to see that, but whatever, it'll work. Now, you don't actually have to charge it up very much, actually at all. It starts at 50%, but yeah, I'm just gonna skip this and all that, go through the setup though, kind of show you. But yeah, so if you were setting this up with SIM and everything, you would use the included tool here to access the SIM card there, put it in, pop this back in. Actually, while we have this here, we can see that it has a little rubber seal, meaning that it is water resistant. At least I'm not sure if it's IP68, IP67, or what it is exactly, or if it even is at all certified. Although I sincerely hope that it is, because that is a feature that I absolutely love on the Pixel 4. I know it's not officially done, and I probably shouldn't be doing it just in case something happens, you know, but hey, I don't care. I'm gonna keep doing it. Now, if you were setting this up fully as your own, what you would do is actually you would connect with USB-C to C, or, well, if you don't have a USB Type-C phone, then you would simply use your charging cable and this adapter here, which I don't feel like taking out, so yeah. So then you can set it up, share it. I don't know why that isn't dark theme. But yeah, let me raise up my chair here a little bit. Much better. That should have been dark theme, but I don't know why. I guess it isn't. I'm excited to see jerry-rig everything's full test and teardown of this, but perfectly fine. On the back, however, I wouldn't trust that. That's plastic, like I said. And just like glass is glass and glass breaks,
glass is glass and glass breaks.
Plastic is plastic and plastic scratches. So keep that in mind. Now, I'm not going to go through the full thing. Actually, this phone is for my dad. I have the Pixel 4 XL, and my dad has a Motorola G4 from 2016, which was a budget phone when it came out. I have been begging him to get a new phone for a long time now, and this phone at $349, it's perfect, especially for him. So I really hope he enjoys it. I'm gonna go help him set it up here. I also got another one of these for my mom. Well, I say I got them. I basically told them that these were ones to buy. I don't have enough money to spare for them, unfortunately. I'd love to, but I don't. And you'll actually see that what's recording this video right now is indeed a Pixel 4a. How to position that? I don't know. Anyways, it's a Pixel 4a. So I actually swapped it out halfway through. But yeah, so that's how good the camera quality is for video. I can't test the photo quality yet, but I assume that it's just as good. That's what I heard. It doesn't have the extra processor unit thing or the extra camera, but I'm going to do some testing. I'm going to be using my mom's phone for testing purposes because it, my mom doesn't necessarily need the phone as immediately as my dad does. And I want to try it out for a week so I can give you guys a better full review. And yeah, I'll be look for that come in about 2 weeks or so, I'd say. I don't know when this video is being posted, but yeah. In this phone, there are a few things though that I would like to have. Wireless charging. That is something that is just so nice, so convenient. Uh, I love using it on my Pixel 4 all the time. Just set it down there, boom, it's charging. So nice to have. The other thing that I'd like to have is face unlock. But this phone, $349. Like, that's just insane pricing for a phone, especially one that's this good. And I'm willing to sacrifice wireless charging and face unlock for for that price. It's just so good. Plus, it's got the Pixel imprint on the back. That's good enough. I don't need face unlock, I guess. And wireless charging, I mean, as nice as it is, it's not as fast as wired charging, and again, $350. You can't expect that much from it, but it does deliver on a lot of stuff. Performance isn't very good. I would not suggest this phone if you enjoy playing any sort of games more powerful than Minecraft. Okay, so sorry about that. The Pixel 4a over here that I was filming on, actually, it shut down. Well, not shut down. It stopped recording because it got too hot. But anyways, let me finish what I was saying, though. Love this phone. Shoot, that's the wrong hand. Whatever. I really like this phone so far. Yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get hit notifications on if you want to get notified when we get the video, the full review done on it. And yeah, just have a good day, guys. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.